Hey there, my name's Luke the Cooking Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're camping outside of a Cracker Barrel in Albuquerque, New Mexico. In today's video is going to be done a little bit differently than most of them. We are going to be doing a fast food fusion. So on our trip to Iowa recently, we had to stop at Taco John's. Now Taco John's is one of our favorite Mexican restaurants and it's only in the Midwest. So we picked up some of their potato olays and we are going to be putting them into a bacon quesadilla. Let's get started. We only need a few ingredients: whole wheat tortillas, triple cheddar cheese, queso fresco, bacon, unsalted butter, Taco John's potato olays with a cup of their nacho cheese sauce. Now the first step is going to be putting in some unsalted butter. I'm going to start with a couple of tablespoons, and you can turn your skillet or your cooktop onto about a medium. Put down your tortilla, and on top of that we are going to put 1 cup of queso fresco, and you can kind of push it down and it'll go into more of a flat layer. Now we're going to layer on our potato olays. We are going to use a 1/4 cup of bacon, and then to hold in all of that bacon and those potato olays, we are going to put in 2/3 of a cup of that triple cheddar cheese. First, turn up the heat a little bit so then the tortilla starts to get browned, and we will just pop that on there and we will just let it get a little bit crispy on that one side. And after about 2.5 minutes, you can start to smell the bottom, and a little slipped out, but it'll still taste really good. After another 2.5 to 3 minutes, it is finished up. Well, we just decided to dump that delicious nacho cheese right on top, and this is the completion of our fast food fusion of Taco John's and a quesadilla. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out Taco John's. Their potato olays are really good. Have a great one.